Libraries may indeed not be the first resource people think of when we're all in this trying to fight the coronavirus situation. But actually, we do have quite a few resources that we can take advantage of. Here at Land O'Lakes and the Hugh Embry Library at Dade City, we have a craft and sewing center. Here at Land O'Lakes, there are 4 employees who have taken the sewing machines home, and they are able to produce 3 or 4 masks per hour. And that's, it may not be like a factory, but every little bit helps. And we want to be part of the solution and helping the public in whatever way we can.
The project that I'm working on with a number of other people in libraries is we are making these masks, and they are being distributed. So far, we have delivered a number to senior services, and we'll be working on some of them for PCPT bus drivers as well. Anytime you take a project like this and you have to make a lot of them, you make some minor improvements, and that for me is fun. I enjoy sewing, and so it's a neat project. And it's also nice to know that I'm able to help people in the community, and that library staff is all working from home, so we're not able to do what we normally do for the public, but we're still able to help the public and our fellow employees in a different way.
So in addition to the masks, we have a 3D printer at the Hudson branch, and we are slowly producing masks with that machine. Now it's a little bit slower process, but we'll be donating those as well. Everybody in the community, from the private sector to government, even Pasco County Libraries, we're all doing our part